back and we're doing a quick little video about weapons, armory, those things. You feel me? Gatling. Got the ML140. Grenade launchers. Got a lot of them. Got a lot. Swagger grenades. Last but not least, the hipster bunny. I don't think we need to go through the grenade and glue walls. Yeah, one first as usual. Regan Thomas skins. The swordsman legend. Blood Moon. Kano. Yeah, wait. Kendoka. Touch up on the box, we got the Predator Strike, which is the Cobra skin bot. The Vikings. Can't remember where you got this from. It's probably free, but Ghost Basher. Punisher Swing. This came from Elite Pass. The Corn bot, Mexican grilled corn. The very first bot skin I had. I think this, is it still in the shop? Not sure. The Guitar Basher. Then, the Death's Final Strike. Kerrang! Got the Wildland Slasher. Bloodbane Slasher. Endless Slasher. Steel Blade, Meth Blade, Swordfish, yeah, we know that one. Catastrophe, Slasher, Pawns, we definitely have the Cyber Bounty Hunter Pawn, the Cobra 40 Pawn, the Street Fighter Pawn, the Earthshaker Stomp, yeah. Forsaken Creed Pawn and the Jigsaw Pawn. And last but not least, the Watermelon Pawn. Let's get our pistol game on. The Scarecrow, Treatment Gun. I think it was like about 2 Elite Passes ago when this came on. The Celestial Street M500. The Golden M500. The Atom Spitter G18. The Golden G18. The Cosmic Bounty Hunter G18. Maybe of the Golden Eagle and the Cosmic Bounty Hunter Eagle. Then the Snow Leopard USP. I think we'll treat the snipers here. MA2B, Deadly Glares, Gunskin, Star Soul, Car 98, the Imperial Worm Car 98, the Golden Rule Car 98, which is from the Elite Pass where the cowboy was given away free, I think. So that was one of the OG Elite Passes also. Rebel Academy Car 98. And we got Purple Medals AWM. Booyah Day AWM. Swallowtail AWM, which was a Weapon Royale, and the old-fashioned AWM. And we only needed one, and the Tropical Parrot is the one we got. M18, still one of the best around town. And we got Deadly Bot Spars, Theater of Torment Spars, Star Soul Spars, Red Samurai Spars, the OG Digital Vision Spars, the OG Winterland Spars, the Extreme OG Zombie Kiss Spars, and we got the Arctic Blue Spars. Let's just get on to the M10. We got the Artificial Intelligence Spars, the Golden M10 Spars, Death Eye, everyone knows that, Shark Attack Spars, Violent Terror Spars, Tsunami Spars, the Enhanced Armor Spars, yeah, the Capitalism Spars, Capitalism, yeah, the OG Winterland Spars, Underground Howl, Incubator, Apocalyptic Gold Spars, Green Flame Draco Spar, and then why am I still saying Spars again? Shotgun M10, as you can see. It has no need to be here because I have the legendary Skyline Mist. OG Rara. We got recent FFWS 21 Factor Skin. We got the Bloody Wing City Thompson skin. We have the Spectre Squad Thompson. We have the Time Travelers Thompson skin. Definitely have the old-fashioned P90. We definitely have the Vikings, the Gold P90, the Phantom P90, and the Rebel Academy P90. We got the Engineer MP40, the Winterlands, OG Winterlands MP40, the Titanium MP40, Carnival Carnage MP40, the Sneaky Clown MP40, the Lightning Strike MP40, Mechanical MP40, the Crazy Bunny MP40, the OG New Year MP40. Had this one for years. This is like the second time they brought back the Dreamy Club MP40. I got this one. I had this one when it first came out in the first incubator, the Blazing Heart MP40, along with the Eternal Diamond MP40. Got these two when they first came out, and this is just an additional one. Then we got VSS, the Slither MP40. Got the Private Eye VSS dog, the Slither VSS, Victory Wings, Loose Cannon, Metallic VSS, Shark Attack, Clandestine Impulse VSS, Pink Love VSS, and the Death Eye VSS. We got the Harvester, the Demolitionist MP5, the Vampire MP5, the Pink Devil MP5, the Death Eye MP5, the Star Soul MP5, the Red Samurai MP5, the Imperial Room MP5, the Golden MP5, the MP5 Champion Boxer, the Mr. Nutcracker MP5, and the old-fashioned MP5. Now to one of the newest, most threatful guns to the game. Now we got the Shadow Rush UMP, the Private Eye UMP, the K-pop star Dumb UMP, the Carrot IMP Head UMP, the Lively Beast UMP, the Guns for Hire UMP, the Violet Terror UMP, the Cataclysm UMP, the Purple Flame UMP, and the Art of War UMP. Let's change it very quick. We got a new cord skin that came with like about the last 2 weapon royals ago. The Killed Spark Shinobi cord skin. Then we got Pink Devil M60, the Agent Pause M60, the Captain Bubbles M60, the Santa's Choice M60, the Crimson Red M60, the Gold Coated M60, the Golden Rule, which is another OG M60 skin from the Cowboy Elite Pass, the Incubator Shadow Earth Shaker M60, and the Lively Beast M60. Now M249, we got the Wide Red, the Endless Oblivion, sorry, the Fable Foxes, and the Clownfisher. Then we got the Woodpecker Party Animal skin, the Loose Cannon Dragonol skin, the Artificial Intelligence Dragonol skin, another Artificial Intelligence Dragonol skin, and the Swordsman Legends Dragonol skin. In this case, we got the Flaming Skull, the Season 23 exclusive Andrew the First SK skin, the Red Samurai, the Phantom Assassin Dragonol skin. Then we come along, we got the Crimson Here Dragonol skin, the Persia Prowless Dragonol skin, and the Cosmic Bounty Hunter Dragonol skin. So now we got the Party Animal Og skin, the Theater of Torment Plasma Fun skin. We got the Plant Bermuda AN94, the Engineer AN94, the Booyah AN94, the Golden AN94, the Season 21 Hyoto Firebrand AN94, the IMP Head AN94, Cataclysm AN94, and the Spiky Spine AN94. And we got the Game Streamer XMA, the Punisher XMA, the Roast Dragon, the Engineer XMA, the Deadly Bot XMA, the Sneaky Clown XMA, the Gladstein and Potus XMA, the Abyssal XMA, the Destiny Guardian XMA, and the Lively Beast XMA. We got the Loose Cannon, the Shark Attack, the Imperial Room, the Vigilant Invasion, the Golden FAMAS, the Vampire, the Metallic, and the Swagger Drainage FAMAS skins. For the Groza, we got the Booyah skin, the Swagger Drainage skin, the Ceremony skin, the Great Plunder skin, and the Operano Shin skin. Now for the Scar, we got the Old Fashioned skin, Pink Devil skin, Season 22 exclusive Maxim skin, Shark Attack skin, Wide Samurai skin, Shark Attack skin again, the Violet Terror skin, the Cheetah Fang skin, the Horus Dragon skin, the Phantom Assassin skin, the Water Elemental skin, the Eraser skin, and the Megalodon House skin. Next we got live stream M14, the Loose Cannon M14, the Booyah M14, the Season 24 exclusive Misha M14, the Violet Terror M14, and OG Winterlands M14, along with the Silver Bullet M14 and the Lively Beast M14. Now we're gonna go to AK's Private Eye, AK, Storm Whisperer AK, Red Samurai AK, Imperial Room AK, Digital Invasion AK, Season 20 exclusive Moko, Pumpkin Flames AK, Skull Hunter AK, Flaming Red AK, Flaming Dragon AK, the Blue Flame Draco AK, and the Unicorn's Rage AK. Then we got Deadly Bot M4A1, Artificial Intelligence M4A1, Golden M4A1, the Stealth M4A1, the Season 19 Caddy the Swift M4A1, the Flaming Skull M4A1, the Star of Soul M4A1, the Cataclysm M4A1, the Wild Carnival M4A1, the Purple Griffin M4A1, the Blue Griffin M4A1, and the Scorching Sands M4A1.
Let's warm up! Let's warm up!